Imagine being able to taste virtual reality, licking a lollipop and experiencing flavors like cherry, green tea, or even durian, all without leaving your room. Sounds crazy, right? Well, thanks to a groundbreaking invention, this sci-fi dream is now a reality. Stick around because we're diving into the science and potential of this mind-blowing technology. VR has revolutionized sight and sound, but what if it could tantalize your taste buds? Scientists at City University of Hong Kong have developed a VR-compatible lollipop that lets you experience 9 distinct flavors: sugar, salt, citric acid, cherry, green tea, passion fruit, milk, durian, and grapefruit. By simply licking this device, you're transported into a world of virtual flavors. But how does it work? Let's break it down. This is no ordinary lollipop. Using a process called iontophoresis, the device delivers flavor chemicals via a safe, tiny electric current through a flavored gel. Each lick activates the flavor receptors on your tongue. It's like combining science, engineering, and your favorite candy. And the best part? It's small, lightweight, sleek, and no bigger than a Tootsie Pop. Oh, and they've even added smell for a more realistic taste experience. So, why would anyone need a virtual lollipop? Here's where it gets fascinating. First, virtual taste tests. This could revolutionize how doctors diagnose taste disorders. Quick, accurate, and objective. Second, online grocery shopping. Imagine tasting a strawberry before buying it virtually. And third, education and fun. Parents teaching kids about different flavors in a mixed reality setting. Who knew tasting could be educational? Pause for effect. And let's not forget how this might transform the gaming world. What flavor would you want in your next VR adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Of course, this technology isn't perfect yet. Right now, the flavored gels last about an hour before they need to be replaced. Plus, the team is already working on expanding its flavor range and making it last longer. But considering where we are now, the future of VR taste is looking deliciously bright. So, what do you think? Would you try this virtual lollipop? Which flavor would you want to taste in a VR world? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed learning about this tasty innovation, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who loves tech, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing updates on the latest artificial intelligence and VR technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.